Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a dripping and splatter effect. I will be working with this image. I downloaded it from freepik.com. I have provided this image in the dripping image that you can download. Links and attributions are located in my video description. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. The first step is to create a new document by going to File and New. Name your project, set the width 2560 pixels and height 1440 pixels and fill the background with white color. Click the lock icon to unlock the background. Double-click it to open its layer style window, or use the right mouse button and choose blending option. Click Gradient Overlay in the gradient bar. Choose Presets, Basic, Black and White. Click the black-white thumbnail in the lower left stop. Click the color box and choose a soft color. The blend mode is normal and the opacity is 100%. Check reverse and make the style radial and the scale is 100%. Open the photo. We'll place it onto the background. I will separate the girl from its background. To do this, I'm going to make a selection around the girl. I'll select the quick selection tool and click and drag to select the girl. Use these toe icons, add to selection and subtract from selection, to adjust your selection. Click on select and mask when you are done. I'm working with the on black mode. Now, I'm going to click on the refine edge brush tool and simply click and drag around the edges, to let Photoshop make a selection around those difficult to select part. This is the result. To place the girl into our main image, make sure you move tool is active by pressing V on your keyboard and dragging the girl onto the tab of the photo. Without releasing your mouse, drag it down and release. To adjust its size and position, open your transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command plus T. Open the dripping photo and drag it onto the background. Click Ctrl or Command the dripping photo to make a selection. Make sure that the layer girl is active and press Delete on your keyboard. Hide the visibility of the dripping layer. Deselect by pressing Ctrl or Command plus D. Use Eraser tool to remove unwanted parts. We will now add the splatters. To do this, create a new layer. Drag it below your subject. Set foreground color red. Open your brush tool and brush picker and pick a big size. For brush, download the splatter brushes, link in the description below. Apply the brush effect on the image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel.